Bunch of cool cars, including this Trans Am Firebird. Bunch of cool cars, including this Trans Am Firebird that has had a hard life. Corvair, Mustang, Thunderbird. I'll cut over because the really cool stuff's on the other side. I just wanted to give context real quick. My friends and I went to Reedsburg Auto Salvage in Reedsburg, Wisconsin, because they're going to start crushing out this yard. And everything you'll see in this video is probably going to get crushed out. So we went there to document it, and if you guys want to buy anything, they are open 2 days a week. So in this video specifically, you'll see Impalas, Novas, a ton of Tri-5 Chevy stuff. It's all for sale as of 2022. They are going to be crushing out in midsummer, so get there now. Well, I should say this side's not too bad. But the really cool stuff's over here. Oh, Ranchero. But here's rows of Impalas and Bel Airs and Tri-5 Chevys. Just gonna walk down, comment what I see. Like that 56 or 57. Another one, Nova. 57, I think. Impala. Oh, here's another. Not important. Oh, ow. Nice scenic walk. Oh, more stuff. Impala. 56. Twin to my Caprice. Four-door station wagon. 57, I believe. Another 57. Another Impala. Look at this Impala. The tree has grown up and around the engine and through the open hood. Ooh, and there's a bee's nest. Just keep on walking. Another big one. Another wagon. Another Impala. I'm just calling them all Impalas, even though I know they're Bel Airs and everything else in between. They're big Chevrolets. So no, that's 4-door. Why isn't this working? There we go. Another 56 2-door Post. Another Impala, which I don't know if you can see. The tree is going right through the middle of the engine compartment. This is my favorite though. The tree grew through the empty engine compartment, through the open hood, around, and up. All right, another Nova. You definitely see what the guy liked. There's no like Chevy 2 Novas, no early ones, just like 68 and up. Another Impala, which is really an Impala. Another 57, I believe, maybe earlier. Another Nova. 58. Like early 70s. Camaro, Bel Air, Chevelle, 58 Del Rey, '55, I think. Or is that 57? I can't remember. I'm sure the comments will tell me. I'm just trying to do this off the top of my head as I'm walking by. Some more Pontiacs, Ventura, and I think another Ventura. '56, '69 Chevelle. Something I don't know. Another Nova. Monte Carlo. Another Tri-5. Early 60s station wagon. Z28 Camaro. Disco Nova era. Another Nova. And Impala. Another Impala. Another Nova. Two more Novas. Disco Nova, which is like 74 and up, I think. Some Chevelles. Yep, definitely Chevelles. Another late 70s Nova. And then we'll end here because the next video will have what's over here. Like this flipped over 57. We didn't have a ton of time to go through the yard. I was with some friends and the weather was not the best, but I did get a few quick videos, like this one walking through the major GM stuff. There wasn't really any Mopar, wasn't really any Ford. There's a few other videos of which I'll release here in the next 2 or 3 weeks with some other cool stuff that isn't for sale, but this is the stuff that is available as of right now. It's spring 2022, and it will be available until they start crushing. You can contact Reedsburg Salvage. They're on the internet, they have all their information out there. Also, I'll put a link in the description. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know, and I'll have more information for you. Alright, well, here I am getting ready to go on another adventure. This time it's going to be Memorial Day weekend 2022. I'll be going on a few hours away from Chicago, and then going up to Wisconsin. And unfortunately, timing wasn't great. I came back from the one where I actually filmed this adventure out in Reedsburg. Got back to my house on Tuesday, turned around, had to work Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday drive like 7 hours. But it'll be alright. It's going to be a fun adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this little walk through Reedsburg, Jake's Auto Salvage. You can find them online, also down in the description. They do sell parts, but you have to go there and get them. What else? Oh, I post every Monday. I've been doing it for the last 6 months. So if you like it, keep on coming back. And tell me what you think in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys out on the road. Stay safe.